Scan is complete. Old GK here. Had old school buddy of mine, Mr. Mudduck, and he got this old Texas Star 350, and wasn't working. He brought it over thinking maybe we could get it going real quick in about 10, 15, 20 minutes or so, and that wasn't the case. We had ourselves a dead short, and I finally tracked down the culprit of that dead short. And good thing you gave me permission to put some new HGs in here for you, brother, because yeah, the amp wouldn't work because both of the collectors had already broke themselves away from the transistor. I just lifted up on them things and they were already broke. So that dead short fried the crap out of them is what happened, is my guess. So anyway, I spent a couple hours on this thing. It didn't have the SSB switch or the wires. It had just a regular wire. Went ahead and did a power wire upgrade. Bet you like that right there, don't you, Mudduck? A little new idea I had about placing that choke right there. You got double-sided sticky tape on the bottom and the back. Pretty good little place to put it too, I think. Hope you like that. Went ahead and ran the SSB wires, of course. Power wire upgrade. Got some length on here for you. Yeah, bud. All right, open the door. Well, hold on, I'll be right back. Pizza's here. Okay, never mind. Pizza just came here. I thought I was going to get up and sign for it. So anyway, we had a big burn spot over here by the preamp. So I went ahead and put in all new preamp components, as you can see here, and tested it out. Works great. This wire was not here either. The bypass from that side over to this side, over to the medium switch, excuse me. Had to put the variable in and mount that. The front meter that was in it was not working, and so I had instead of giving you a brand new meter, I had another meter that worked just fine, and can't remember where I got it, but it worked just fine to save you a little bit of cash. I put a used meter on here for you, but works perfect, looks great. That'll save you a little bit there. He didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on this. I think it's for Mr. 506 Minuteman. That's what the women call it. No, I'm just kidding with you. So I had to put feedback circuits on here. Got these new HGs in here for you, pal. 69 HFEs. Drop new filter cap right there. Throw you this 470 right there. New filter cap right there. Put a new diode right here. That was blown. I think you remember that. And I cleaned the box up real good. I'm sure you can see that. Thicken the solder up right here like I do on all these amps. It really doesn't help really, but it's just something I like to do. Thicken that little RF path back to the front of the amp, because the RF does have to travel back and forth in this box a little bit. Let's see, I think that's about it, man. Oh, the other dead short. The dead short. The corporate of the dead short. Back here, there was a glob of solder that wasn't a drip. It was actually soldered. So I'm guessing it had melted, but it was literally laying over the the hot bus back here to ground. Couldn't see it real easy from the naked eye till I removed these caps. It was it was real tough to see. After I removed them caps and looked at it for a second, I finally saw it. I traced it back and knew that was the only place it could be, because I had already had the transistors removed at that time. So there you go, brother. So you were saying you were wanting 300 watts at least. Okay. Got the bench radio here. Here's your feed through tune, 5-watt slug. Da-di-da-di, da-di-da-di. Alright. We got this bad boy on 14 point. Here, I'll tell you what we got it on. $14.7. All right, medium switch in, variable all the way up. You got the 500 watt slug, PEP. Go a little bit over 300 watts, my friend, on medium. 100 watt slug RMS, do a little bit more than 100 bird. So yeah, I think you're getting exactly what you wanted, plus more. Do 400 watts. Do about 160 bird. Turn the voltage up. Do about 180. Do almost 450. Input reflect. Do it don't look. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right here. I don't know how it can get better than that. I mean, yeah, no movement whatsoever. We got a 5-watt slug right here, man. Middle scale. Where that 10 is a watt. In between that's half a watt. Do what is that? A micro milliwatt? Input reflects absolutely beautiful. Appreciate you bringing this by, man. You really got lucky, Mudduck, because as you know, I'm not taking in any repairs. You lucky devil, you. So that means the cost is double, okay? Just so you know. Triple. We'll just triple the cost. What it normally would be, I'll just triple it for you. So you owe me about $450 for this repair. I know you won't mind paying it. Just kidding, would you? Old gatekeeper. We gone now, 73rd. God bless. I'm gone. I'm about to go eat me some cat picking pizza. Watch me a movie. Chillax for a bit. Then we're going to jump on this nightmare. One of these throwaway amps, RM Italy. I'm gone. Bye-bye.